This is how to download YouTube Music onto your laptop. So let's get started. First open your browser and then open YouTube Music. So search for that. Click on the first link to open it. And once you're here, click on the three dots on the top right. Select Cast, Save and Share. And you'll find this option to install YouTube Music. So click on that and click on Install. And it's done. It's been installed on our laptop. So let's see how it works. This is like any other app. You'll find the app icon over here. So even if I close YouTube Music and if I double click on this, you can see it's opened. And we have all functionality over here. We can also switch the accounts if we want to. Just click on the account on the top right. And from here, we can switch it. After that, if you want to pin it to your taskbar, we can do that as well. Just go down to your taskbar. Then right click on the YouTube Music icon and select Pin to Taskbar. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.